Hey everyone, welcome back to Num of Data. If you are new here, I am Suvarna and now on this channel we dive deep into everything related data from Excel to Power BI and beyond. If you are passionate about data, you will come to the right place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to cover a super useful technique which is used in Power BI that every data analyst should know: how to unpivot a table. It's a handy technique that transforms your data and make analysis much easier. So let's jump right into it. The problem is your data is scattered across multiple columns, and that's where the unpivoting comes in. The unpivoting basically helps us reshape that data from wild format to tall format, making it easier to analyze. Let's see what I mean exactly. So I am already in the Power Query editor. I already extracted data in Power Query editor, and first of all I will show you where is the option of unpivot column. Simply you have to go on transform, and in any column you can see this unpivot column. Let's talk about the data. I took simple data so you can understand. In a product we having the product A B C D. In a region we having north, south, east, west. In Q1 sales, the data according to Q1 sales, and Q2, Q3 and Q4. So basically I want to unpivot these four columns, that is Q1 sales, Q2 sales, Q3 sales and Q4. So for this I have to select this column. To select this column, simply just press Ctrl and right click of your mouse on that column. I selected these four columns and just press on this unpivot column. What exactly happened with clicking on this? The data is converted into attributes and value. The column that we are selected, that come under attributes, that is the heading of the column is come one below other, that is Q1 sales, Q2 sales, Q3 sales and Q4 sales are come below other. And in value section, the according to that attributes the values come in value table. So let's have a click on this. See guys, the Q1 sales, Q2 sales, Q3 sales, Q4 sales, according to this, our table is now unpivot. And that's it. You are just learn how to unpivot data in Power BI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe None of Data for more tutorials and data tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.